Everybody loves Sow Love Garden. Sow Love.
Hey guys, welcome back to Sow Love. It is potato harvesting day, so I am excited about this. And some of these were planted out on February 23rd. Others were planted like a month or so later, so not all of them are ready. But we have about maybe 5 baskets that we're going to, maybe 6. 6 baskets that we are going to go ahead and pull today. So the ones that have the signs of yellow, they're dying back, they're bending over, and of course I could wait a little bit longer for them to completely die down, but I really want to go ahead and plant up my sweet potato slips. So the next thing that goes in here will be sweet potatoes, so I'll do a video on that. But let's get harvesting. Alright, so here is our little potato harvest. So not bad for, growing in laundry baskets. I do not have a scale, but this is about, maybe you say a third or a fourth of the way up this 5-gallon bucket. So of course this is looks like the biggest one we got. Maybe cross between that one, but we have a nice variety. So some of the really small ones, honestly, I'm going to go ahead and plant up and see if we can get another potato harvest off of these. But for the most part, these baskets here, which there are 5 baskets here, we're going to go ahead and plant up these sweet potato slips, so that'll be a separate video. I need to look up and make sure these can go into the compost bin. I know the leaves technically are not edible on potatoes, so I need to make sure I can put those in the compost. So if I can compost those, I'm definitely putting those there. And then of course this can be either reused or composted. Worms love cardboard. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 baskets remaining with potatoes, so that'll be another video to come. Hopefully y'all will see the kids harvesting those. But there's the update on the potatoes planted out on February 23rd. Not too bad, guys. I'll definitely be trying this again. So I'll link the video on how I planted these up in the comments below. So I'm going to allow the potatoes to cure out here in the greenhouse, and you can see some of the skins are already kind of scratching up a little bit. So you want to leave them a few weeks just so the skin can toughen up. And technically you can use these. So like if you're cooking a meal that needs potatoes, you can go ahead and take them inside, rinse them off, and use them. However, you know, I'm not ready to use them yet, so they'll stay out here until they are ready to store inside. And here are the ones on the other tray. And you want to try to make sure that they don't overlap. So I'm just doing one nice layer below. So thank you so much for tuning in today. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you in the next video. Bye, you guys. It's a little yellow, but not quite there yet. Think that's good?
Yeah.
All right, so take these out. Uh-oh. Put it in this bucket, maybe. Terrible idea. Technically, they have to cure, which allows the skin to toughen up.
Everybody loves Sow Love Garden. Sow Love.